This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is the gun lock that is distributed with several models of Ruger firearms. This is a relatively common gun lock design, and it's essentially a 30mm flexible shackle padlock. This particular one is made in China, and it features a laminated steel construction. Now oddly, this one has an anti-drill plate in front of the keyway here. I think that's a little bit strange because as I look at this lock and I think of all the possible destructive ways of getting into it, drilling is really far down that list. In fact, I'd probably take a hatchet and cut this flexible shackle before I would even consider taking my drill out. So it's a little bit odd, though I suppose it's nice to see the effort. In any case, let's take a look at how this lock works. First, we open it up by inserting the key, turning it 90 degrees, and that allows us to remove one end of this flexible shackle. Then on the firearm, we have to remove the magazine, then lock the action in the open position. And to secure it, what we do is take one end of the flexible shackle, insert it through the top of the action, run it down the handle, and out the bottom of the magazine well. After that, we can relock the end of that shackle into the padlock, and this gun is secure. Now, putting this lock in place does a couple of things. First, it prevents you from closing the action, and that stops the gun from firing. And because it goes through the magazine well, it also means that you can't insert a magazine. So this gun really is well and truly disabled. So that said, let's see what it takes to pick it open. I'm looking at this and I see we have a very small keyway, so I'm going to be using one of my Peterson flat 5 tensioners for top of the keyway tension. Okay, I have that in. Now I'm going to get a standard hook in 18 thousandths and get to picking. Nothing on 1. Number 2 is binding, got to click there. Nothing on 3. 4 is binding tightly. Got to click out of 4. Back to the beginning. Nothing on 1. Click out of 2. 3 is binding. Got to click out of 3. Nothing on 4. 1. Must have dropped 2 down. It looks like we just got that open. Okay, so as you saw, not terribly difficult to open up a 4-pin lock with no security pins, something that's probably well within the capabilities of most novice pickers. To me, what that means is that this lock is not up to its primary role of securing a gun from inquisitive adolescents. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.